Here's a little secret I want to share with you. You can have the best Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Microsoft ads running. You could be spending thousands of dollars a month, but it'll mean nothing if your website isn't pulling its weight. So here are some key things that I recommend that you try out and give your website an audit. It's not going to cost you a thing because you can do it all. The first thing, when was the last time you looked at your website using your mobile? Can you find your phone number easily? Can you purchase a product easily if you're an e-commerce? Can you submit an inquiry if you're a service-based business? How easily can you do those things on a mobile? The second is how fast does it load on mobile and desktop? We're an impatient people. We want to know stuff and we want to know it right now. So if your website is running slow, and slow I mean 3, 5, 6 seconds to load, you've already lost me and I've already gone to your competitor's website. And the third and final thing to check on your website is how does your website talk to your ideal clients? Is it all about you and how wonderful your business is and all the awards and how much experience you have? Because I'm going to tell you right now, no one cares, at least not in the very first instant that they visit your website. Your ideal customers, they have a problem they want to solve. And they've gone to your website for your product or your service to solve that problem. So your website needs to talk to them. It needs to speak to them and address their needs and wants. So have a look at your website from your customer's perspective. Does it look good on mobile? Is it quick? And does it speak to them? I have an ideal client questionnaire that helps you identify these needs and wants, and so that it's easier for you to write for your ideal clients on your website and also with your Google and Facebook ads. It's free to download. There's a link in the caption. Download it today and get started. Until next time, friends.